Welcome to Ghani Fatty Digital, where future billionaires are built. Success seems to be connected with action. Successful men keep moving. They make mistakes, but they don't quit. In the circle of successful living, prayer is the hub that holds the wheel together. Without our contact with God, we are nothing. With it, we are a little lower than the angels, crowned with glory and honor. To some degree, you control your life by controlling your time. I know when I have a problem and have done all I can to figure it. I keep listening in a sort of inside silence till something clicks and I feel a right answer. There's a vastness here, and I believe that the people who are born here breathe that vastness into their soul. They dream big dreams and think big thoughts, because there is nothing to hem them in. The man who wins is the average man, not built on any particular plan, not blessed with any particular luck.